So we first replace x with our cos theta, y with our sine theta, then we factor out the r, and then we're going to divide by the expression inside the parentheses. So 3 cos theta minus 5 sine theta on both sides. So once we divide both sides by that, we end up with our final answer. Remember, you want to make sure r is isolated. So for number 2, we replace x with our cos theta. We then want to isolate r, so we divide by cos theta. And we end up with r equals 4 over the cos of theta. And that's our final answer. Number 3 is the same. You're just replacing y with r sine theta. Divide by sine theta, you get your answer. r equals 9 over 6. Number 4, we replace x squared plus y squared with r squared. R squared equals 16. We want r to be isolated, so we take the square root. So we have r equals 4. That's our final answer. Okay, then this next one, we have to FOIL. We then look and see what we can replace. So x squared and y squared is r squared. We can replace x with our cos theta, and 9 equals 25. So once we do our replacements here, our final answer is r squared minus 6, our cos theta equals 16. We're not able to isolate our word.